మనం పోయేసరికి ఒకటైతది కదా.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you,
Good
ma'am?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
How are you,
morning,
ma'am?
ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm very fine. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Divide teams, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, first everyone, keep quiet. Keep quiet, everyone. Mute yourself. Everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
See, one thing I'll tell you. 2 instructions I'll give to you first. Okay, before conducting the quiz, I'll give 2 instructions to you. The first instruction and last instruction also. If your cameras are on, then only I'll consider your answers. This is first instruction. And second instruction is that you have to raise your hands.
Can you tell again, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, Vice President.
Yes, ma'am. Vice President only.
Did I call your name,
Vice
Shri?
President.
What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Time up. Time up. Bhuvan, Vishwan, and Hanvita, you have raised just now. Bhuvan and Vishwan. What is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhuvan.
Three
Anvita?
types of three types of levels of them, ma'am. They are central government, state government, local self government.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Vishwan?
before asking question,
Vishwan ready?
Ma'am,
What is the answer?
ma'am, 3 types of governments are there.
Hmm.
Central, state, and local self.
Okay. Under local self-government, what will come under the local self-government?
Sarpanch.
Ma'am, municipal corporation, Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat Municipal Corporation.
Ma'am, Gram Panchayat and Municipal Corporation.
Yes, Hanvita, tell me.
Ma'am, Municipal Corporation and Gram Panchayat. Corporation and Gram Panchayat.
Okay. Next question. The constitution that can be amended easily is called as 1. The constitution which can be amended easily is called as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only Harsha and Srihit raised the hands. Okay, Srihit, what is your answer?
Democracy.
Harsha? Harsha,
Ma'am, same.
no, wrong answer. The answer is flexible. Flexible, which the constitution can amend. That constitution is called as the flexible constitution.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next question. What is mean by Shahid? Remove your hand from the screen. Abhivir, you also. What is mean by autocracy government? What is mean by autocracy government? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Only Abhivir raised the hand. Abhivir, you can say the answer, but please on your camera, Abhivir. Yes. Yes, Rudranish, what is the answer? Rudranish, unmute yourself. Yes, Rudranish, tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
What is mean by autocracy government?
Only one person will rule the entire country or state, ma'am.
Next. Yes, Srihit.
Ma'am, only one person will rule the whole country and only one government will be there.
Hitansh? Yes, Hitansh.
Ma'am, government in which one person has one person will be control of everything, ma'am.
Bharatwaj?
A state or country.
Autocracy government means the whole power will be in the
Yes,
person.
ma'am. Whole
The
power.
whole power.
No. The whole power with few of the people. It's not a single person. Single person is
Few of
comes
the
under
people.
the monarchy government in the king's ruling. Okay, autocracy means it
Autocracy
is
means the
the
whole
powers
power
are
will be
vested
in
with a
few
group
people.
of people,
As
right? Okay, next question. The Indian constitution is
Ma'am, your voice
Ma'am,
is
your voice is tracking totally, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is tracking, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is trucking. Everybody mute yourself.
Indian constitution had two qualities. What are the two qualities? Indian constitution had two qualities. What are the two qualities? One,
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am. Please, can you tell everyone to
four,
mute?
5. What is your answer? Rudranish. So the two main, yes, Hanvita. What are the
Ma'am,
two
it is a
qualities?
democracy, ma'am.
I'm talking about constitution. It is partially rich and partially flexible. These are the two qualities which are having by the Indian constitution. Whenever we can change some amendments in the Indian constitution, and some articles are not possible to amend in the Indian constitution. The
Okay, ma'am.
constitution of India is the constitution. I mean, which country's constitution was unwritten constitution? Which country's constitution was unwritten constitution? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Srihit, Abhivir, Hanvita, Tanushree, and Bhuvan raised hands. That's all. Yeah, Hanvita, what is your answer?
Ma'am, China.
Okay. Abhivir, what is your answer? Abhivir.
No, I raised by mistakenly, ma'am.
Okay. Srihit.
Ma'am, Great Britain.
Bhuvan. Bhuvan Kartikeya. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, UK, ma'am.
Yes, Harsha, you did.
Unmuted, ma'am.
Ma'am, UK, ma'am.
Tanushree.
Britain, America, China.
Ma'am, China.
No China. Only.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rikshita.
UK, ma'am.
After time up, you are raising hands, Rikshita. Next time, I don't give chance to you. Tell me.
Ma'am, UK.
So the answer is the Great Britain. Whatever Srihit told, it's a correct answer. And Bhuvan Kartikeya, I think he told the correct answer. And China, it's not correct answer. Okay. So Srihit and Bhuvan Kartikeya, they got 1 mark. And the next question is, the process by which the representatives are chosen by the people. This statement is called with one word. What is that word?
Voting, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? Electing, ma'am.
The process by which the representatives are chosen by the people. This process is called with. Bhuvan,
UK, ma'am.
Srikshita, Divishi, Bharadwaja, raised hand, Srihit and Harsha. Okay, time up. Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll come by one by one. Okay, Divishi, what is the answer?
Ma'am, it's a demonstrative government, ma'am.
Okay, Bharadwaja. Okay, no. And Abhivir,
Ma'am, voting system.
there is a word for that. Yes, Srikshita.
Ma'am, elections.
When a person dies or resigns from the post, at that time the elections will be
Ma'am, your voice
conducted.
is tracking, ma'am. Can you
That
repeat?
elections are called. 1,
Ma'am, once again.
3,
Ma'am, once can you repeat?
4,
Ma'am,
5.
ma'am, once can you repeat
The
it, ma'am?
election takes place when a person resigns or dies. What kind of elections those are? Okay, time up. Yes, Divishi, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
What is the answer? Okay, the answer is
ma'am, I don't.
by-elections. By-elections. When a person died or if a person resigns from the job, so at the time which the elections will be conducted, so that elections will be called as the
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
by-election. The process of having the right to vote by all adults. Tanushree,
Ma'am, that's
Bharat-
adult franchise.
what is that?
Adult franchise.
Wrong. Wrong answer. Yes. Hitansh, what is your answer?
Ma'am, Universal Adult Franchise.
Harsha?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Yes, Bharadwaja? Abhivir? Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know.
So, Tanushree, whatever you told, it's wrong answer. The answer is Universal
Ma'am?
Adult Franchise. The answer is Universal Adult Franchise. So, Hitansh got the mark.
Ma'am,
Next question.
can you join again, ma'am? My mobile is not working properly. Can you join again?
Yes. Next question. Which two states are involved in Kaveri water dispute? Which two states are involved in Kaveri water dispute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Srikshita and Bhuvan. Okay, Srikshita, what is your answer? Which two states?
Ma'am, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Bhuvan Kartikeya? Srihit, I cannot give chance to you because time off, then you raised your hand. Yes, Bhuvan, tell me quickly.
Same, ma'am.
I don't accept same. What is the answer?
Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Okay, Tanushree, you have raised your hand after time up. So the answer is whatever
I raised
Srikshita and Bhuvan told. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So that's the correct answer. And the next one is, what is mean by, Abhivir, remove your hand from the screen. Bhuvan, you also. The next question is, what is mean by CE? CE. What is mean by CE? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 students. Srikshita, Vai, Shrihit, Harsha and Hanvita. Only these 4 students raised the hand. Abhivir, you have raised after time completed. Okay, so what is the answer, Hanvita? What is the answer, Hanvita?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting, ma'am.
Okay, Harsha, what is the answer? Harsha.
Common
Who's this? No,
Okay, mute yourself, Harsha. Tanushree.
Ma'am, common era.
And Vai, Shrihit.
What you can tell the question?
Shrihit. What is called as CE?
After Christ.
Okay, Srikshita.
Ma'am, common era.
Okay, the answer is common era. Okay, so next question. Next question. What are the 2 places of Mesolithic sites in India? What are the 2 places of Mesolithic sites in India? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Only 2 students raised the hand, Divishi and Bhuvan Kartikeya. Bhuvan, what is the answer?
Ganga and Indus.
I didn't understand.
Ganga and Indus.
I'm not asking rivers, sites of Mesolithic age, Middle Stone Age sites in India. Yes, Divishi, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Central Asia and
Amma, states in our country. Yes, Abhivir, what is the answer? No? Yes, Joshi, tell me what is the answer?
ma'am by mistakenly pressed, ma'am.
Hitansh?
Ma'am, in
Yes,
Gujarat and Rajasthan. Ma'am, in Gujarat and Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is correct, but Gujarat, it's not Gujarat, Bangalore. Okay, I can give half mark to you. And the next question is, what are the different crops grown during the Mesolithic age? Abhivir and Bhuvan, remove your hands. What are the crops grown in the Mesolithic age? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hanvita, Divishi, Harsha, Vai, Shrihit, and Bhuvan Kartikeya. That's all. 5 members. Yes, Hanvita, what is your answer?
Ma'am, rice crops, ma'am.
Harsha,
Ma'am, wheat and barley. Wheat and barley.
Shrihit,
Ma'am, wheat, barley. Wheat and barley.
Bhuvan,
Ma'am, rice and pulses, ma'am.
Hitansh.
Ma'am, wheat and barley, ma'am.
Okay, Harsha, Vai, Shrihit, and Hitansh, correct answer. It's wheat and barley. So these are the 2 crops they
Ma'am, I
have grown.
raised, ma'am. Ma'am,
After time
ma'am, I raised
finishing,
before only, ma'am.
see, who was the person who verified the evaluation of the man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Srikshita, Y Srihit, Divishi and Hitansh. Only 4 students. Yes, Divishi, what is your answer?
Hello, ma'am.
What is your answer?
Ma'am, once can you tell the question, ma'am?
Who who verified the evaluation of the man?
Ma'am, Asia, ma'am.
Okay, Srikshita. Srikshita, quickly.
Ma'am, Ellie, ma'am.
Why
Ma'am, Ellie,
Srihit?
ma'am.
Why Srihit?
I'm Charles Darwin.
Hitansh? Hitansh.
Ma'am, Charles Darwin.
So the answer is Charles Darwin is the correct answer. So Srihit and Hitansh, they got marks. Hitansh and
Ma'am, it's break, ma'am.
yeah. So now it's your
Yes, ma'am, it's 3.